shows concern about India's e-commerce rules. Representatives of online retailers including Amazon raised concern about tough new rules for e-commerce announced last month while meeting with the government officials. The government's tough new e-commerce rules announced on 21st June aimed at strengthening protection for consumers and small retailers were met with concern among the country's online sellers, especially the market leaders Amazon and Flipkart. New rules limiting flash sales, barring misleading advertisements, and mandating a complaint system, among other proposals, could force the likes of Amazon and Flipkart to review their business structures and may increase costs for domestic rivals including Reliance Industries, JioMart, Big Basket, and Snapdeal. Other countries' laws is stricter than India. Center tells Amazon, Flipkart, and others. The center has told e-commerce giants such as Flipkart, Amazon, and other domestic and foreign companies that they should look at other countries' jurisdictions and how tough their governments are before raising issues concerning the rules in India. RBI flags concern around big tech financial services operations in India. The Reserve Bank of India has raised concern around big tech companies such as Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft extensively pushing into the financial services sector, saying the extent of their involvement in the country could challenge its stability and governance of the ecosystem. It added that while big tech in the fintech space in India can offer opportunities to drive the government's goal of top-to-bottom financial inclusion, there are some worries around cybersecurity risks, data privacy, and uneven playing field for Indian banks and fintech startups and antitrust issues. YouTube partners with Hollywood Park to host in-person performances and virtual live streams. The 300-acre Hollywood Park development and streaming video giant YouTube have partnered in an extensive multi-year agreement that names the development's 6,000-seat performance venue, YouTube Theatre. The partnership is YouTube's first ever major naming rights deal and will serve as an anchor for the sprawling Hollywood Park mixed-use development in Inglewood, California, being developed by Los Angeles Rams owner and chairman Stan Kroenke. Zomato's $100 million investment to turn Grofers into a unicorn. Indian food delivery giant Zomato, which is working to explore the public markets later this year, has reached an agreement to invest $100 million in online grocer Grofers for about 10% stake in the 7-year-old startup. Flipkart launches Shopsy app for small entrepreneurs. Walmart-owned Flipkart has launched Shopsy, an app to help individuals start online businesses without any investment and also deepen e-commerce penetration, particularly in non-metros. Facebook becomes youngest company to hit $1 trillion valuation. The Mark Zuckerberg-owned firm joins Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google in the $1 trillion club. It took 17 years to reach there. Facebook and Instagram takes down over 3.2 crore posts in compliance with the new IT rules. Former IT minister lauded significant social media platforms such as Google, Facebook, and Instagram for publishing their first compliance report on voluntary removal of offensive posts as per new IT rules, terming it as a big step towards transparency. Under the new IT rules, large digital platforms that have over 5 million users are required to publish periodic compliance reports every month, mentioning the details of complaints received and actions taken thereon.